I'm presently now at Metrobay Estate, Sangotedo. It's situated in a wonderful environment. As you can see, the property is a totally dried land, and the beach is closer to the beach. If you can imagine how awesome it would be to have a property facing the beach. This is Metrobay Sangotedo. 300 square meter goes for 10.5 million. No, 600 square meter goes for 10.5 million. Then 300 square meter goes for 5.5 million, 5.2 million. Right here at Metro Bay Estate, it's an awesome environment, a place where you can build that dream home of yours. And this is it. It extends down straight forward